Akademiks, check it out now. Breaking news. I'm so happy to be one of the first people to report this. Salute to TMZ and salute to all my connects who made sure I was one of the first people to know. They've known I followed the story so extensively, reported on it. But Meek Mill is now officially free, guys, okay? Now, the Superior Court of Pennsylvania actually overruled Judge Denise Brinkley, the judge who basically don't like Meek, wasn't going to let him out. They overruled her, and they said that, listen, man, she got a bias. They said it. They said, listen, it appears that she is holding a grudge against Meek and holding him in prison because of that. And since the prosecutors are asking that the conviction should be overturned because of dirty cops and evidence not being as it should be when you convict someone, they're saying he is to be released from jail immediately and he is being processed to be let out as I speak. If you don't know, last week, the same judge, Judge Denise Brinkley, said, fuck that, we ain't letting Meek out. But of course, a higher judge said, yes, we are, okay? Meek did put out a statement to TMZ exclusively. He said, I'd like to thank God, my family, my friends, my attorneys, my team at Rock Nation, including Jay-Z, Desiree Perez, my good friend Michael Rubin, my fans, the Pennsylvania Supreme Court, and all my public advocates for their love, support, and encouragement during this difficult time. While the past 5 months have been a nightmare, the prayers, visits, calls, letters, and rallies have helped me stay positive, okay? He also addressed the Philadelphia District Attorney's Office who backed him in his fight for freedom. And he said to the Philadelphia District Attorney's Office, I'm so grateful for your commitment and adjustment, not only for my case, but for others that have been wrongfully jailed due to police misconduct. Although I'm blessed to have the resources to fight this unjust situation, I understand that many people of color across the country don't have that luxury, and I plan to use my platform to shine a light on those issues. In the meantime, I plan to work closely with my legal team to overturn this unwarranted conviction and look forward to reuniting with my family and resuming my music career. So, let's get the facts in order. Meek now out of jail, okay? Which means the sentence that put him in jail has been overturned, and that was a sentence of a probation violation. However, the probation still continues. Now, for him to get off of probation, he has to have the original judge, which is Judge Denise Brinkley, that don't like him, really say he's off and she don't look like she's going to do it, or he has to get a higher court again to overturn the decision of him being convicted in the first place, which happened in 2008. It's a good thing that he's out. I do want to salute to Meek. I know his family, his friends have definitely missed him, while I've definitely been critical as well of how his lawyers have gone about the process. Clearly, he held his head as best as he could. I hope within the next couple months, he not only changes his actions, because some of the actions he was doing before, whether we want to admit it or not, kind of helped put him in jail. But hopefully he comes out a new man, of course, uses his platform to help other people that's currently in his position, but also to be an example, because there was so many people who rallied behind him. Basically, everybody said, man, Meek Mill is a great person for the community, great person for hip-hop, great person for the world. Meek should not want to disappoint those people, so he should look to set an example. And of course, give us the fire fucking music. I'm happy that Meek is out, and I'm happy that if this is us getting closer to justice, let's go, okay? If it means overturning his charges, let's go, or his conviction, let's go. And again, for everybody who is supporting him, clearly they were on the right side, at least in this decision, because he's out of jail. Get in the comment box, make sure you guys like and subscribe. What do you guys think about Meek Mill now being out of jail? He's been locked up for a while. What should his first song be, and what should his first collab be? And how hot you think the streets of Philly gonna be today? It's your boy Akademiks.